welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make jelly hoop earrings. Now I'll bake them at 275 for 10 minutes. Squishy jelly hoops. Trim any edges that may be out of place. Try resin on the sides of the jelly hoops to see how that turns out, because I want the side that you see to be ultra shiny and the rest can be matte. Now to set them in the sun. I like to resin the posts on. Back out in the sun. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more art-related content. Until next time, see you later!